Respected participants, good morning, and Ms. Sherman, good evening. Sorry, today I am again late. Please confirm me, are you hearing me? Please, all participants. Thank you. So, without any delay, we go to our today topic. In our previous topic, we have learned about q-plot and ggplot. These are a very basic and most frequently used scripts. If you get and have clear concept of these scripts, you will get 30% of this course. These are very important and frequently used techniques and functions and packages when you will use R Studio or R programming for data analysis and data visualization. So I am just revising my previous things. So when they all joins and I am still waiting. So if they not joined, they can watch video, but I am just revising my previous topic. What is tidyverse? Tidyverse is also a package, but when we move on or reach on a tidyverse step, you will reach what is its function. It perform a lot of functions, like you can say if I am type here tidyverse, similarly as like ggplot2, type here a package name. Tidyverse. So just click on and see how many functions it perform. Here is a tidy. You can list all tidyverse dependencies and check here these main functions. Similarly, here is all packages of tidyverse. So it is a not a simple, it is a very complicated and have lot of functions, lot of works. When we perform tidivers, like similarly, when I perform ggplot2, I explain it in with full detail. Similarly, when we reach on tidivers, I will explain it full detail for what purpose it will be used and where it will be used and so on. And so if we move to direct on tidivers, you may be unable to understand a lot of things because there is a lot of or a huge gap between tidyverse and ggplot. So ggplot is a very basic and starting point, while tidyverse is a expert level point. So if we direct move to tidyverse, it is very difficult to understand and it's dealing with this. So step by step we will learn all things. So today, I think peoples are not available now, or they think today class is off, so they start their work. Or three participants have joined. Okay, that's good. Now let's start. Today our topic is correlation. We are going to our first analysis in R. Correlation. Please everyone, can you tell me what is mean by hashtag? I type here is a hashtag. It is a word of R or a part of our language or a vocabulary part of our language. What is its mean? Its mean title, heading. Title or heading. So what you learn in whole training, we will be focus on four things, that is reading, writing, generate and edit. So I repeat it each and every day so that you remember what we are going to learn. We are going to learn reading, writing, generate and editing. Dr. Manish, kindly, what's mean section break, new story? Please explain. If I skip something. Okay. Oh. Thank you, Dr. Manish, for clearance. If you have learned and expert in four skills of R, reading of our language, writing of our language, generate of our language and editing of our language, you will be expert. We will practice these four things on different analysis. Similarly, as like first we first day we practice writing a script on qplot. and next day we practice on ggplot. So we are practicing for writing a script, and we have successfully write and perform qplot and ggplot. Now today our topic is, we again take an example of today we take a student as Miss Sherman. Miss Sherman is with his supervisor in his office, and his supervisor say we have a file named ficus, please find the correlation. What is task? Mr. Sherman, again I am saying Mr. Sherman. We take example Mr. Herman. So Mr. Herman supervisor say please find correlation of this data set between variables. So when we Mr. Herman supervisor give a task, the first question arise. The first question should be arised Mr. Herman mind is dash. It's a question for you. Please reply. What question should be arised in Herman's mind? In previous class you also give me answer. My question is that when Mr. Herman supervisor, yes, which package we have to use? Which package will be used? Which package will be used? So when Mr. Herman supervisor say that please find the correlation and draw its plot, the first question arises Mr. Herman's mind is that which package will be used for this purpose? Which package will be used for this task? Supervisor replied, lot of package used for this purpose, but you can use psych, PSYCH, psych and core plot. But you can use psych and core plot for this purpose. Similarly, as like if Mr. Herman is in biological lab, Mr. Herman supervisors say please find zinc concentration of this solution found in beaker. The first question should be arised in Mr. Herman mind, which instrument will be used to calculate or to measure the zinc concentration. Supervisor say the atomic absorption spectrophotometer will be used for zinc concentration, to measure the zinc concentration. Similarly, when any task will be given on R, the first question in your mind is that which package will be used. Each and every time when you given a task, for example, your supervisor gives you a task, please draw a dendrogram, draw a PCA. So the first questions should be arised in your mind is which package we will use for this purpose. So we move to next step. So our supervisor say that atomic absorption spectrophotometer is used for zinc concentration. So we first step find atomic absorption spectrophotometer. Where it is? Either it is found in our lab or it is found in chemistry lab, in biochemistry lab. We search it. So we come in our R studio lab. Here is our studio lab where packages are found. Just click on our R studio lab assistant computer. Here is its computer. I am saying search bar to uh, lab attendant computer. So click on this lab attendant computer or search bar and find here psych. You can say psych is found in my lab, but I hope this will not found in your lab. I'm right? Please check and confirm me yes or no. Is psych present in your RStudio lab? No. All participant? No. Okay. Now we need to install it. We go to our HOD office. Here is HOD office install button. Click on install and type here psych and type here psych and press button install. After a few seconds, it will be installed. Now we have file or data or sample and we also have a package. Now we can do work on this package. So first step is activate it. First step is activation. So please activate this step. For activation I used word library and within library a parenthesis of library type psych and run it. Now you can see the psych package get tick mark and package is activate, but it give me a notification in red lines. The following objects are masked from package ggplot2 percentage plus percentage alpha. Here console says that when we activate package psych, it is a dominant package and it hide the or it suppress the function of ggplot2 function name percentage plus percentage alpha. So he suppress this function. When you activate psych, the function plus percentage plus percentage function alpha function not work when you activate psych. So we don't need here alpha function here, so we just need psych, so we activate it and start our work. So we first need to similarly as like ggplot, psych has lot of functions. You can see this is a lot of functions, lot of packages. You can do many things with psych, but our target is our main focus is on correlation plot. So for core plot, we type here a script. We open its core plot function, core dot test, this function. Although you can see lot of function, it's so just select core dot test, and then within test just type your file name. Our file name is ficus. Just type here ficus and run it. You will face an error showing x must be numeric. Please confirm me if you run this line. Have you similar error? Okay. Now first we understand what this error say. This error say that x must be numeric vector. So when he say vector, factor, character, numbers, we just go on our file, ficus file, and check here. All parameters are numeric. For this confirmation, we just take a cursor on this heading. When we take a cursor near to this heading, he show me column 1 numeric, so it is a numeric. Okay, second column, it's also numeric. Third column, it also numeric. Fourth column, it also numeric. And fifth column, here is a factor. In my case is factor, and in your case it may be character, CHR. Please check species is character or factor in your case. In my case it is showing as species is factor, because I tonight class I change it character to factor, so it's showing me as a factor, and in your case it will be a character. Now come on your script. So we need to remove column 5. Type here square brackets and write -5, or you can give a range like 1 to 4 or just -5 and run this. Sorry, I need to import again file. I do some changes in files, so he is not picking factor. I clean it. Please confirm me. I think in your case you have done this step and your script not showing any error. Please confirm. Or showing again error. It's working. So I import this Excel file again. Select ficus. And run this. Now I run the script again. Go again, showing me same error, so I give it a range. And no check what it's saying. It's again same error. Please anyone, can you share your screen? Same problem. Please wait just 2 minutes. Core plot. Please run the script. I think we are write another function, and the heading for this is not correct. Please just wait just 2 minutes. I come back just 2 minutes. Here we used a wrong function, core.test. Here is a core, CORR, core.test, not core.text. For core.text, we need another sequence for our its grammar is different from core.test. So we are going to perform correlation on core.text. So just use this function core.test click on and type here ficus square bracket -5. Now run the script. Now your script is working. Have you done this? You can see in console. You can see in console a correlation table is created. Two correlation table is created. One is correlation matrix and other is probability values. Here is the probability values and above is the correlation matrix. So Mr. Herman, very happy I have done a correlation by using R programming. Oh, Mr. Habibur Rahman, kindly share your screen. Habibur Rahman, kindly share your screen. Type here again core, select here core.test ficus square brackets -5 and run this. You are, I think, again core. Your function will be taken as COR, not CORR. So you need to restart your R. Just close this and reopen it because no new script, no, please restart, complete R. Just close RStudio and then reopen it. Yes. Please, Dr. Habibur Rahman, open again RStudio and show me screen. Your screen is blue actually. Okay, just library psych and run. Okay, good. Now type core dot select core dot test. Yes. Now just type ficus within parenthesis -5 and run this. Now it's working. And thanks Dr. Habibur Rahman. And now he have done is the first table. Mr. Herman have done first analysis in R. No, although there are a lot of things within correlation analysis, like you can find p-value, t-value, standard error, correlation coefficient, and lot of other things you can find in this analysis. So this is a very simple analysis. You just type a single line, not a complete single line, just 3 words: core test ficus. You have done your correlation task. It is a very easy. Now I am introducing a new word or vocabulary word. Here is less than, minus. Here is a new sign, less than and minus. What is mean by less than and minus? Similarly as hashtag. Hashtag is a mean heading. Title is a word or language word of R. It's mean, or a vocabulary word of R. It's mean heading. Similarly, when we type or see any this type of word in our script, it's mean equal. It's mean equal. And here is what is mean by equal. If you remember and go in your childhood in class 6, 7 or 8, while you are performing algebra or any other equations, you have seen in some cases we say x equal to 5 plus 5 minus 5 plus 4, y equal to nine, y equal to 9, and we want to find x plus y equal. It's our question. So you have seen that here is a 10, here is a 10. I give 10 a new name x, and I give a 9 new name y. We assume that 10 is x and y is 9. I mean x mean, when you see x it's mean 10, and when you see y it's mean 9. So what is the mean answer of x plus 9 is 19. So I want to say that here we use an word x equal dash something amount here, or some values or numbers here. So 10, here the name of 10 is x, the name of 9 is y. So in RStudio this function is show similarly as like in our algebra or mathematics questions. X here is less than, minus sign mean equal. If we place it here before our script, and before it we name a p, you take any name. This is used for I will explain it in very simple way. Here is a script file script. We just giving a nickname to this complete script, giving a nickname. If this script is about 50 to 100 lines script, and we say it is equal to p, and run the script, you can see in global environment screen number 3 another file is created with the name of p. If we change its name p to x, another file is created, no x equal to this script. So we don't need to this script again in any here. We just type x, like I type here x and run this x. It work. So I save whole script within one letter, one character x. Have you got it? Please explain. Tell me it's clear. What is mean by less than and minus? Are you confused? Okay, thank you. Now we name this script. So I can say I name a new name, allot a new name to this script or to this code. So it's you can say its mean is name or equal or new name. Okay, I run the script. Now all these things are under in x, within x. So when I type x and just run this, it's give our result of complete script. Now here is a dollar sign. we also used a dollar sign. Dollar sign mean columns. What is mean by dollar sign? Dollar sign mean columns or variables, variable names. So when after x I type dollar sign, it give me a list of different results of correlation analysis. These are all results of correlation analysis. You can check these one by one. Now first we check correlation coefficient. R is for correlation coefficient. Just click on correlation coefficient. Now here x mean our complete script. This one is in x and dollar sign R. Run the script. Now you can see here is correlation coefficient table. Correlation coefficient table here. If you want to find its p-value, just type here x dollar sign and p. You will get its p-value. Here is its p-value. Now Mr. Herman go to his supervisors and say and show his performance and tell them I have created tell him I have created correlation tables based on correlation coefficient, p-values, probability values and so on. Know what I do? His supervisor allot a new task. New task is draw its plot. Draw its correlation plot. Now Mr. Herman come again his RStudio lab. Mr. Herman come again his RStudio lab and type here pairs. Pair function is used for this purpose. Pairs dot panel. Pair dot panel. And similarly type here ficus, file name ficus underscore square bracket -5. After writing just this script, he run it just a few seconds. He get a very beautiful plot, correlation plot with others things. You can see you have done this plot with R. Now Mr. Herman is again very happy. I have done a correlation plot by using R Studio. He again come to his supervisors and say, please check, I have draw this plot. No, Mr. Herman's No, Mr. Herman, supervisor say, yes, that's great, but how we identify where is a significant positive difference and where is a significant negative difference? Where is a significant positive difference and where is a significant negative difference? Please add here stars that indicate the significance level. So Mr. Hermans again come in our studio lab, just type here comma and write here stars equal sign and T, capital T, and run it. Now you can see each values are allotted as stars. So those values which have stars have significantly correlated either positive or negative, while without stars no significance correlation between them. Please perform till this step. Now here another new vocabulary words, that is T and F. What is mean by T and F? T mean true. T mean true and F mean false. Here true mean yes. True mean in R yes. False mean in R no. When you write a word T, it's mean yes, and when you type a mean, yes, Dr. Habibur Rahman sir, it is a significant level p value, based on p value. But these values are different. These stars are allotted based on p value, significant level values, but these are correlation matrix value. Now Mr. Herman supervisor say, please try another package. He already tell him about two packages, that is psych package and other is core plot. Two packages. Now Mr. Herman is going to draw a plot on by using function core plot. So when we going to use any machine, we first confirm that it is available or not available. So come on in our studio lab, screen number 4, and just type here core plot and check core plot is available. I have a core plot package. Please confirm you available. If you not have this package, go on install button and type here core plot and select this core plot and press install button. After installation, a few seconds it will be in your RStudio lab, and after installation done its library, and you know what is mean by library. Library mean activate, turn on any instrument, any packages. Core plot and run it. So I have done 2 steps. Please all participants done these steps and let me know, then we move forward. All participants please confirm it. Thanks all participants. Now we open our machine, activate, and after activation we open its part core. Just select core. It is a basic from statistics core, and type within this again ficus -5 and run this. You can see again you have done this. Here is a correlation matrix. In our previous case we have draw a plot on correlation coefficient. Here is a correlation matrix. Now we apply a plot on correlation matrix. For this you give a name, again give a name file. I am repeating name as I have used X and P. You can take its name as Mr. Herman. And run it. Now a new file is created with the name of Herman. So I have completed one step. No, we move to next step, that is plot. So for this we use here a function core plot. Select this core plot. Just type here file name, Just type here a file name. No, our file name is Herman. No, our file name is Herman, and method equal inverted comma or strings circle, and run this. Again error. These was a mistakes, spelling mistake. I copy this. When he gave me an error, but he also gave me a suggestions. You can also draw this plot. So we get a suggestions. Just click on. You can see a circular plot is created. No, Mr. Herman again very happy and went to his supervisor office, and his supervisor said that please it's good, but try on scare plot, draw scare, use scare method. He just copy this script and paste here, and just type a word here, scare, and run it. He get scare plot. You can see this is a scare plot, scare correlation plot. Again he check, he showed his supervisor, and his supervisor say please try another method, it is not good, try another method. He again copy this script and paste here. No, his supervisor say please type here ellipsis. So he just copy a word ellipsis and paste here instead of square, and run this script. Now check, here is a ellipsis. Now again his supervisor say please write another or draw another plot. Its method is use number. So he copy number and paste this number word here and run it. You can also type here. Now you can see numbers or table is plotted in this graph. Now he again say type here shade method. He just copy the script, copy and paste, and just write here shade and run it. He can see the different shades within plot. Now his supervisor say that please differentiate between colors. So he just copy and paste here is color and run it. Now his plot again changed, just only based on color. And now his supervisor say used another or last method, that is pi. Use pi here instead of color. So I type pi and run it. Now you see that is a pi plot is created. Please done this and confirm me, have you done this step? Please all plot have done. and good. uh, okay, no. Mr. Herman, supervisor, said that please draw its only upper part. Here is a full upper and lower. I just need upper portions. He just type here in first script, and right here is a comma and inverted comma, and in inverted comma he type here upper and run it. You can see here is a upper portion of plot in my script. Here is upper portion. So no, when he draw upper portion, his supervisor say please draw lower portion. No issue. He just type lower instead of upper and run this. It is a lower portion. Again in the case of square, just comma, inverted comma, upper, run it. Same lower. Again run this. I hope you have got it and have learned all these things which I teach. Okay, no sir, we are going to end our class. Actually I was late, so I complete your class time. No, your task is please complete these upper and lower and create all these type of Dr. Habibur Rahman sir, we will do in our next class. A lot of things, many other things are pending, remaining. Hope after completion next week, you will be able to do all things without any help. You will do by themselves. No, your task is complete these plots again and share these plots in group when you find time, anytime, any evening, day, night, when you find a free time, you draw a plots and send in group. Thank you.